a lesson on adverbs, which are by definition words that modify or add quality to the meaning of a verb. In Xhosa, these are characterized by an initial ka, which is prefixed to an adjective, and here are some examples. From khulu, kakhulu. Khulu, big, kakhulu, a lot. Ncinci, small, kancinci, to a small extent. Ngapi, how many? Kangapi, how often? Nye, one. Kanye, once. Bini, two. Kabini, twice. Mnandi, nice. Kamnandi, nicely. Buhlungu, sore, painful. Kabuhlungu, painfully. We do find some exceptions, as in the following instances, where some relative or large group adjective stems may be used with or without the formative ka. For example, uthethe lusizi ngemeko yabadala. She spoke sadly about the plight of the aged. Or uthethe ka lusizi ngemeko yabadala, and of course the same translation applies. With the two adjective stems bi and hle, bi meaning ugly and hle meaning beautiful, we have ka ku prefixed, as in kaku hle. So hle, beautiful, becomes kaku hle, doing something well. Kaku bi, ugly or bad. Bi, ugly or bad, becoming kaku bi, badly. Some adjective stems function without any adverbial prefix, using only the stem, as in abadala batsala nzima, the elderly are struggling. Iroboti ilaita luhlaza, the robot is showing green. Or iroboti ilaita bomvu, the robot is showing red. Sukuthetha khwada, don't speak in an uncouth manner. So here we just use the adjective stem. In many instances, ngoku is prefixed to form adjectives, to form adverbs rather, when prefixed to either an adjective or a verb stem. So, fanelekile, appropriate. Wenze ngoku fanelekileyo, you acted appropriately. Fihlakele, secret. Fihlakele means secret, as in adjective. Baphume ngoku fihlakeleyo ebusuku, they went out secretly at night. Khawuleza, verb stem. Baye ngokukhawuleza kwindawo yengozi, they hurriedly went to the scene of the accident. Mhlophe, white. Ndimxelele ngokumhlophe ukuba uyaxoka. I told him clearly, so from mhlophe, white, ngokumhlophe, clearly, that he is lying. Zenzisa is to pretend, so siyabulela ngokungazenzesiyo, we thank you sincerely. Ngazenzesiyo, that is negative, so we thank you therefore without pretense. Uthetha ngokuphandle, pandle meaning outside, ngokuphandle, openly, to the outside. Akafihli into, he does not hide anything. So that gives you just a little bit of insight into how adjectives, or rather adverbs, are formed in isiXhosa. Inkosi kakhulu.